Do you see it?
Go see it? Come on. See the snake? Yeah.
Where?
Over here. Look. Snake. Snake. Snake.
Touch it.
That.
What's that? That's the wood. That's the wood. Where's the snake, Hannah? Where?
That.
What's the snake say?
That.
What's that?
That.
Yeah? Yeah, you want to go see the snake over here? He's sticking his face out. You come see the snake?
That.
Hannah, come over here. Hannah, come here. Hannah, come here. Come look at this. Come look at this. Aunt Mary, show you.
Look, it's a snake.
What's that?
That's the water. Can you see the snake? Can you see it? See the snake?
Where is it? Come right here. What's that? Snake.
Snake. Mama?
Yeah. Mama sees a snake. Mama sees it.
The snake looks at you. Look at that. Maybe that snake wants to got its tongue.
Say hello.
Watch you.
Say hello to the snake.
Hi, snake. Hi, snake.
All those wood chips she thinks very interesting.
Yeah.
Turtle.
Turtle. Snake. Snake.
That.
Another turtle.
What's that, Hannah? That.
Ooh, snake too in here somewhere. Snake must be hiding. It must be in his house. Must be in his house. I see him.
Snake! You see him? There's a snake in there.
Snake in there. He's sleepy. Sleepy snake. Sleepy snake.
There's a snake. Yeah. Oh. What's that? What, baby? A circle? Okay, let's go see. Oh, there's circle. Yes. 1,